Today, I have got another subscription box. The people over there at Match Made Coffee wanted to send me a free box so I can review it and tell them what I think. Now, they wanted an honest review, so I really automatically took to these people. I really did like that. So this would be November's box. So if you want to find out what I think about it, we're going to open this box up together and test it out together. So if you want to find out what I think of the Match Made Coffee subscription box, just keep watching. Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Now before we get started, for those of you that are new, my name is Mandy and welcome to the video. Alright guys, so it is literally like so cold in this room. Like I don't know if y'all see, like there's smoke coming from my mouth. It's crazy. But anyways, a few weeks ago, Match Made Coffee wanted to send me one of these boxes, wanted to send me the November box, matter of fact, to review it, and they wanted me to unbox it on my channel. And they asked for an honest review, so I really did like that. I really did like that. So I already like them already. So we're going to go ahead and open this bad boy up, see what's inside, and I will tell you a little bit about Match Made Coffee. Now, they are going to give me a discount code to give to you guys to save some money in case you want to check out this subscription box. But I have not got the code yet because I just emailed them. I literally just got this box. And since it's coffee and cookies, I want to open it now. So I didn't wait on them. So I'm going to wait to edit the video and put the video out when they do send that back to me. But look down in my description box for that code to save you some money. Now, let me tell you a little bit about them first. Okay, first of all, this is going to be $19.95 every month. Now, they do have free shipping, and they have craft coffee and gourmet cookies. What they do is they pair the cookies and coffee together instead of wine and cheese, which is fine with me because my second love other than makeup is definitely coffee. I'm always drinking coffee, and I love eating sweets with it. Donuts, cookies. Oh my God, I'm a mess. I'm a mess already. And they perfectly pair the coffee and the cookies together. So it sounded so neat. I mean, I just couldn't wait to get the box. Now, every month you're going to get 2 pairs of cookies and coffees. That means there's going to be 2 cookies and 2 coffees in every month's box. They process everybody's orders around the 15th of every month. And by the 22nd, everything is roasted, baked, and shipped out. Now, they have partnered with coffee roasters all around the world to get the best craft coffee, and also the same with bakeries for gourmet cookies. So, you know, I don't believe I've ever really had a gourmet cookie unless you count Starbucks. So I'm really excited about this, guys. And just remember, the 15th is the cutoff date if you are wanting to join their subscription box. Make sure you do it before the 15th. Because if you do it after the 15th, you're going to have to wait till get next month's box. And that is a little bit too long of a wait for coffee and cookies because, trust me, I want mine now. I didn't even wait for them to email me back to give me the discount code to give to you guys. So, but I'll have it. I'll have it when this video goes out. Okay, now the coffee that you're going to be getting, again, I said you'll get 2 every month. They're going to be 2 ounces apiece. So that is enough for a pot of coffee, or if you use it sparingly, that is enough for 2 pots of coffee. Like for me, that'd be like a half a pot. I love coffee. And then each cookie weighs 2.2 ounces. I mean, they are like right on the dot with everything here. So I think that is really neat. All right, guys, enough running my mouth. I'm ready to open this box. First of all, I love just the plain old boxing. I really do love that. It just simplifies everything and makes everything look a lot more elegant, really. Because you know what? Everything's going to simplify. Check the box out. Is that not cool? They got the little green strings in there. That is so neat. Now, I'm assuming this is the coffee. Oh, and I see a peek of a cookie down there. So. Yeah, I'm going to need my vacuum. Okay, first of all, the coffee. The first one I got is French roast. Very neat. And there's always like a little message on there. So what better way is there to wake up with a bold and rich cup of coffee and plate of pancakes and bacon? So I'm assuming, oh yes, it tells what cookie it's matched with. So it says pancakes and bacon cookies. Oh my God. That sounds, there it is. That sounds crazy, guys, but it sounds so good. Crazy in a good way. Oh my God, it's so soft. I can feel it through the bag. So there is the pancakes and bacon cookie, and that is paired with this coffee, which is French roast. Just awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Now, the next one I got is Peruvian chanchamayo. I think that's what that's called. Now, this one, it also will show your roast level right there on each bag. And this is a match made with chocolate truffle. So the other cookie must, oh wow, it's chocolate truffle, of course. So that coffee is paired with that. And on the back of the cookies, there's like a little sticker, chocolate truffle dough, decadent chocolate mix-ins. And it shows everything that is mixed in and everything. And this is cravery cookies. Is that these saying? Yeah, cravery cookies. So this is what we got right here. So let me set the box to the side. And you know what? I got to try some of these cookies. Oh, the coffee. Which one should I do, guys? Which one should I do? Oh, my God. I got to go with Peruvian because I've never heard of this one. Guys, I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So, literally, I still have enough for another pot of coffee. And I did the Peruvian chanchamayo or whatever. And I just stuck it in one of my little cups that I usually get. And that one is paired with the chocolate truffle. Ooh, I wanted the pancakes and bacon. But I'm going to try the coffee and the cookie together just to see if they know what they're talking about. Oh my God, this thing is so good. Now, I am literally just going to tear a little piece of this off. Oh my God. Oh my God, that was the best cookie I've ever ate in my life. I hope I don't have nothing in my teeth. Now I gotta try this coffee. Oh, it's nice and hot too. Oh my God. Again, like that coffee is just something. I didn't know there was a difference in coffee, but I could taste the difference in that. That was really good, guys. Really good. So guys, I'm going to have to give this place a thumbs up. I mean, that was amazing. That was the best cookie I have ever ate. Oh my God. So anyways, guys, if you want to check them out, I'm going to go ahead and link them below. And remember, in the description box will be a code for you to get a discount off of, I'm assuming, your first subscription box. So make sure you go check them out. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so, so much. And I will see you next video. Bye, guys.